Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. It's a Huawei i7 and Iris graphics. Now the story with this one, pressing the power button, dead. This is one of the kind customer. So let's read the customer email. What the customer is saying, laptop not charging. If I push the cable a bit to the side, then start charging. Then it's like another, probably 6, 7 emails, try to for the customer negotiate the price. The problem is when I'm telling the price of a repair, I'm telling the highest price. Let's say this Huawei, I'm assuming by default all tracks are broken. Yeah. So based on that, I make up the price. But if the customer try to negotiate, and I explain him, I have to check first. So if I'm checking, and I'm a very fair person, if I'm checking and it's easier, then I can say a lower price. It's better compared of saying a low price from the beginning than raising the price after that if the job is more complicated. So yeah, a lot of people, they try to negotiate the price, and I'm telling them, let me check first, let me see. If it's easier, obviously I will charge you less. And even better, we have a proof like a YouTube video. Yeah. So plug in the charger and it's doing nothing. Pushing on one side. Nah, nothing. Nah, nothing. No. No, it's only this charging port. Yeah, because you know why? Because I know it's Huawei and I know the issue with this laptop. This is a common fault, and usually all tracks are gone. I mean, yeah, I found only the charging port to be desoldered, but very rare, very, very rare. So yeah, let's see if we can give the customer a better price for this repair. And the laptop is open. Yeah, I'm not gonna check the motherboard just because I know Huawei, they have an issue with the charging port. I would say let's go straight and take the motherboard out and check the charging port. Yeah, let's do it. And the board, it's out. Yeah, the board is untouched. Good. Let's have a look at the charge port. I can see from here a white thingy is back. And we have the charging port. Good. The port is moving a little bit. But you know what? This customer can be right. I can't see broken tracks. So now I have to give him a discount, right? No, I'm not gonna upload the video. No, and I will charge him full price, right? Yeah. We are making money. Just joking. 380 degrees. Let's take the port. Actually, you know what? Let me go even lower. 360 degrees. Let's take the port out. Why the plastic is melting with 360 degrees? Okay, 350 degrees. I can't believe. I mean, I'm at 350 degrees. Why the plastic is getting melted? This is kind of unique. No way. 350. Okay, let's go 340. And the port, it's out. Ah, lol, I take my words back. No. I take my words back. What is that? What is that? All tracks are broken. Ah. All tracks are broken, apart from these two. And this one from here. All are broken. Just to understand, how much work has to be done on this kind of repair. And you'll say, yeah, sorry, okay, but you do it once and, it's well done. Well, it's not well done. You have to give warranty. And you have to take in consideration by default, this laptop it will come back on the warranty time. You have to think on the first place how the port got faulty. It's a poor design, it is, but got faulty because the charging port has been exposed to different angle pressure from different angle. So yeah, basically kind of like the user fault. I know it's a poor design. I know that. Anyway, let's come with 180-degree solder. And it was looking such a nice, job before I took the port out. Even the customer told me charging from different angle. You remember? Charging from different angle means you have to solder like 1, 2 pins. Yeah, 3, 4 max. Yeah, good. No, I'm not gonna replace the port. No, it's looking perfect. No, it's looking fine. Clean. All pins are there. I mean, yeah, it is melted, but that's okay. Actually, it's even better because now the port is not moving back and forward just because it's melted. Yeah. So I prefer the port being melted here on the back. Now let me take out the pads from the port. You see all the pads are here on the pins. Good. Good. Perfect. Let's apply some flux. Perfect. Like brand new, right? Check there. Yeah, every pin is fine. So how we are doing this job? Remember, we made few videos about this. So here we have 3 pins together. 3 pins together there. And here we have 2 pins together, which is plus. I'm not sure if I can use the Dremel. 1 second. Can I use this? Oh lol, it's a lot better. Ah, okay. Then we have this one, this one, this one, and we have 2 here. Good, and we have 3 pins here. You know what? I don't like because I don't have too much control with the Dremel. I mean, I can easily screw some track. So no, I don't like it. Sorry. I mean, yeah, probably it's easier, but I don't like it. I prefer, my tweezer. Here we can come with a wire like that. Here a wire here. Yeah. Then the plus 2 pins together. Then here we have 3 pins together. Good. And this one, I missed this one. Looking good? We have like a solid foundation here. Let's apply some solder on the pads. 180-degree solder wire. Good, good. Yeah, we need some rosin. Perfect. And here the ground. Yeah, let's solder the port. So I'm gonna come with 330 degrees this time, even lower. And the port is soldered in place. Let's be sure it's not moving. Good, perfect. Now here we have 3 pins together, the ground pins. So all 3 pins are together. Then we have plus 2 pins together. Plus 2 pins together, good. Then here we have 3 pins together. Good. Then 2 pins together. Plus some rosin. And we have the pin soldered together. Here the plus pins are soldered together. Now here we have 2 good pins. Now let me quickly clean the rosin. Just a little bit of cleanup. Good. Let's use a little bit of wire. So we have this pin. From here. Good. Here. Perfect. Then we have this pin. From here. And it's going exactly here. Perfect. Then we have one more there. And this one is coming here. Perfect. Good. Then one here. and it's coming here. Perfect. And we have one more, that's all, one more. So what do you think? Before we are cleaning, let's test it, yeah? Let's be sure it's working properly. So we have the charger, plug in the charger, and the meter it is coming on. 19 volts. This board is not coming on without pressing the power button. And on the other side, the meter is coming on. 19 volts. So what do you think? Wiggling the port solid. Wiggling the port solid. It's a good job or not? Just say it. Let's clean it. This is rosin. It's easy to be cleaned. And now we have, we have some solid pins to hold the port. We have these two metal thingies, yeah. Then we have here some big solders, you can see them, yeah. So I'm happy with what I'm seeing here. So we have UV gel. Looking good, yeah. Now UV light. Let's cut the plastic and make it nice. Yeah, we can make it nice. Yeah. More UV light. All done. Looking good? Yeah, I will say. I will say yes. Yeah, definitely. Working from here. And working from here. So, do you have any better idea how to fix this? Just let me know in the comments. Brand new port, it will not help. Even this port is, same as new. You have to understand the port is not the issue. The issue is when you plug the cable and, I don't know, maybe accidents happen, and you move the plug up and down, left, right, and all the stuff, and then the pins, you seen the pins, they got broken with the tracks. You seen that? Yeah. So that's the issue. Good. Just give me like few minutes to put the board back. Okay, everything is back in place. Plug in the charger, and the meter it is coming on. And we have 1.5 amps. From the other side, plug in the charger. The meter it is coming on. 1.5 amps. Let's try to power on the laptop, pressing the power button, and the laptop it is coming on. Let's wait. We have a picture, huh? What do you think about that? Wait, what is that? Huh? Do you think actually the laptop died during update and the customer try and push around the charger? Because obviously it probably had like a black screen during the update. Possible. I'm assuming this is the PD controller firmware update. And now the laptop went off. The meter got reset. But the laptop is still on. You can see here, but it's black screen. Yeah, that's what I mean. Some people it will take this like, okay, it's not charging, because obviously they don't have a USB meter and they try to force the charger. Yeah, we still have black screen. I'm gonna leave it like that because probably it's doing some update. And the laptop switch off and on again, you can see. And yeah, now we have picture and it's loading the windows, you can see. All good. Let me shut down the laptop. All good, and we have the charging current, which is 1.5 amps. Yeah, now the laptop is off. So what do you think? It's a well done job, right? Yeah, it is. Well, I'm happy I helped the customer. Hopefully he'll see the video, like every truck was broken on the charging port. It took us some time, about on my OBS, 51 minutes. Okay, so about an hour. Yeah, like 1 hour job. So no easy pizza here. No. No easy pizza. Not this time. I'm gonna stop now. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.